Hello, this is Jeffrey. I thank you for being a part of what we do and thank you for joining us. Have you noticed that we as leaders want to make database decisions? If you see it, that's the buzzword. We are in the database decision making business, right? You know what that thought that just that sentence what it assumes? It assumes we have good data, doesn't it? It means that we want to make great decisions based upon our data. Okay, how good's your data? Hmm, that's a great question. And especially as we take that next step with AI, almost all of AI initiatives are based upon having great data. I don't think many organizations can objectively look at their data enough and think, it's at 50%, 60%, 70% good enough. So if we can't look at our own data to know how good it is, how can we make great decisions based upon it? That's a great question, isn't it? Because we want to be in the data based decision making business. But I have a thought for you that's very different than most thoughts, especially as we think about making great decisions based upon the data. First of all, the first thing we need to do is clean up our data, right? We need to clean it up. We need to remove the signal from the noise and get our data back on track. We need to understand what it is that we're supposed to be doing and how can we do it better with our data. Data hygiene, data governance, all that sort of thing. But there's another thing that must be said because it goes unsaid and most people assume it, but I'm going to go ahead and say it because it needs to be said. As a leader, you must be comfortable making decisions with imperfect data. You can't wait for the data to be perfect before you decide. If you wait, then it'll be too late. Because the best decision today may be the best decision you'll ever have, the best data you'll ever have. And if you wait, the decision variables, they're all going to change. Think about how fast everything's changed just over the last few months, the last few years. If we kick that can and we'll wait till our data is better, it'll never be better. You know that, right? It'll never be good enough. We have to be comfortable making great decisions with imperfect data, knowing that even if we make a bad decision, it's okay. We will try to learn from it. We have to build a culture where our decision making is as agile as we say our software deployment is. Everything has to be agile in the way we look at things. Lastly, even if your data is perfect today, doesn't mean it's going to be perfect tomorrow. So get comfortable making decisions with imperfect data and just understand how it is. Can we make better decisions tomorrow than today? What is your decision making process? I want to leave you with that question. Please connect with me. Let me know what your process is because your decision making process is what you need to improve along with the data. This is Jeffrey. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe and share wherever you are enjoying this. And I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.